Hi everyone, and welcome to Lean6Sigma.Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss 5 of the most common Lean Six Sigma mistakes and how you can avoid them. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful methodology for improving business processes and reducing defects. However, like any methodology, it can be misused or implemented incorrectly. This can lead to wasted time, resources, and disappointment. Mistake 1. Lack of leadership commitment. One of the biggest mistakes organizations make when implementing Lean Six Sigma is not getting enough commitment from leadership. Lean Six Sigma is a top-down initiative, and it requires support from all levels of management in order to be successful. If leadership is not committed to Lean Six Sigma, it is likely that employees will not be either. This can lead to resistance to change, lack of motivation, and poor results. To avoid this mistake, it is important to get buy-in from leadership from the very beginning. Explain the benefits of Lean Six Sigma and how it can help the organization achieve its goals. Make sure that leaders are willing to provide the resources and support that are needed to implement Lean Six Sigma successfully. Mistake 2. Poor project selection. Another common mistake is selecting the wrong projects for Lean Six Sigma improvement. Not all projects are created equal. Some projects are simply not worth the investment of time and resources. When selecting projects for Lean Six Sigma improvement, it is important to consider the following factors: the potential impact of the project on the organization's bottom line, the level of stakeholder support for the project, the availability of resources and expertise to complete the project, the feasibility of the project. It is also important to select projects that are aligned with the organization's overall goals and objectives. Mistake 3. Inadequate training. Lean Six Sigma is a complex methodology, and it requires specialized training. Employees who are not properly trained in Lean Six Sigma are more likely to make mistakes. It is important to provide all Lean Six Sigma team members with the training they need to be successful. This training should cover the following topics: the Lean Six Sigma methodology, data collection and analysis, process mapping and improvement tools, change management. Mistake 4. Focusing too much on tools, not enough on culture. Lean Six Sigma is more than just a set of tools and techniques. It is also a culture of continuous improvement. Organizations that are successful with Lean Six Sigma create a culture where everyone is empowered to identify and solve problems. To avoid focusing too much on tools and not enough on culture, it is important to communicate the vision for Lean Six Sigma to all employees. Provide employees with opportunities to learn and grow. Recognize and reward employees for their contributions. Celebrate successes. Mistake 5. Not sustaining the gains. Once a Lean Six Sigma project is completed, it is important to sustain the gains. This means developing and implementing systems and processes to ensure that the improvements are maintained over time. To avoid losing the gains of a Lean Six Sigma project, it is important to monitor the results of the project on a regular basis. Make adjustments to the systems and processes as needed. Communicate the results of the project to stakeholders. By avoiding these common Lean Six Sigma mistakes, organizations can increase their chances of success. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful methodology, but it is important to implement it correctly. If you are considering implementing Lean Six Sigma in your organization, visit our Academy website www.Lean6Sigma.Academy or mail us at info@cancult.org. Thank you for watching. Like our video if you enjoyed it. If you have any question or thoughts about this video, let us know by commenting below. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe the channel.